excited and feel privileged to bring you this Shabbos book I've created. The book Lekoved Shabbos Kodesh is a special book for every Jewish woman. It's filled with inspiration on how to create a geshmake Shabbos experience. In it you'll find lots of Heimishe recipes, table setting ideas, and many practical ways on how to enhance your Shabbos week after week. I had such a wonderful time working on this book, from the writing to styling each photo. This is a very meaningful project to me, as you'll read in the book. In the book, I share personal stories and tell you what keeps me connected and inspired every week, even when the going gets rough. I hope that you enjoy reading the book and connect to something that you can use to improve your own Shabbos experience.